A firm leverages AWS Directory Service for Microsoft Active Directory for identity management and mandates that all resources be provisioned through AWS CloudFormation. A DevOps engineer is tasked with deploying a collection of Windows EC2 instances within an auto-scaling group and requires these instances to be automatically joined to the AWS Managed Microsoft AD domain upon creation. The CloudFormation template currently defines an EC2 launch template, an IAM role, a security group, and an auto-scaling group. Which method provides the most operationally efficient solution for joining these instances to the domain? Option A. Define an AWS SSM document resource in the template to handle the domain join process using existing directory parameters. Update the launch template to reference this document via the SSM association property and attach the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core and Amazon SSM Directory Service access policies to the instance IAM role. Option B. Configure the launch template to apply specific tags to instances upon launch. Create an AWS SSM association resource that triggers the AWS-Join Directory Service domain runbook for instances matching those tags, providing the directory parameters. Ensure the instance IAM role includes the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core and Amazon SSM Directory Service Access Managed Policies. Option C. Store domain connection information in AWS Secrets Manager. Use an AWS SSM association resource to invoke the AWS Create Managed Windows Instance with Approval runbook for the autoscaling group, passing the required Secrets Manager ARNs. Attach the Amazon SSM Directory Service Access and Secrets Manager read-write policies to the instance IAM role. Option D. Save domain administrator credentials in AWS Secrets Manager. Modify the launch template to include user data that retrieves these credentials and performs the domain join operation. Include the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core and Secrets Manager read-write policies in the instance IAM role. This scenario tests your understanding of integrating automated domain joining pipeline within an infrastructure as code pipeline. Ensuring instances become domain members securely and consistently is vital for centralized authentication. The core challenge here is identifying the most efficient, scalable method to achieve this task using native AWS management services. You must consider which approach minimizes configuration overhead while adhering to security best practices for identity management and automated provisioning. In my view, the correct answer is option B. This approach is the most operationally efficient because it leverages the native AWS Systems Manager association capability. By using tags to trigger the AWS-Join Directory Service domain runbook, you rely on a pre-built, managed automation task. This is highly scalable, repeatable, and aligns with infrastructure as code principles because it avoids the need for maintaining custom scripts or manual interventions as your fleet scales. Regarding the other options, option A is less efficient because creating a custom SSM document for a task that already has a managed solution introduces unnecessary maintenance overhead. Option C is incorrect because the specified runbook is designed specifically for approval workflows, not for standard domain joining processes. Option D is considered the least efficient and least secure method among the choices provided. Relying on user data for scripting and managing sensitive credentials directly in an instance bootstrap process increases the potential for human error and complicates security auditing. As an exam tip, always prioritize native AWS managed automation documents over custom scripts whenever possible. Managed documents are maintained by AWS, which reduces your ongoing maintenance burden and improves your overall security posture in production environments.